if you're going, oh, yuck, I got to work this weekend because I have to pick up overtime or I have to go to my second job. Why are we doing that to ourselves? Why are we not being able to enjoy life? Why? Because we have to pay bills. We have to save for retirement, right? So I'm Michelle. If you guys have not seen any of my videos, I am on here promoting the Legacy Builders program that I found about 3.5-4 months ago that has been a game changer in my life, you guys. So I am able to work from home on my days off. Actually, I'm off right now for 3 months because of hip surgery. But I've been able to, before my hip surgery, work from home, not work 48 to 60 hours a week, and able to enjoy my family and my doggy time. Yes, these are my beautiful babies, and I'm outside this morning. I'm doing my work outside this morning. I love being outside. It's so beautiful. So if you guys are ready for something different where you can do it from home around your family time, on vacation, it's a 24/7 automated system that works for you in the background with a proven blueprint for beginners. You don't need to be tech savvy, and you don't need to have no fancy degree for this, you guys. I have neither, and I am doing well with it. So if you want something different, put something different in the comments. I will get your email. I will send you out an email with all of our information. If you go to my bio, I have my webpage there. Just put your email information in my webpage and I'll get you the emails out. You can also go to my bio, and I have my YouTube page linked in my bio. Go to my YouTube page, subscribe to me, like, follow, watch my videos. I have a couple of webinar replays from a couple weeks ago that you guys can get all the information that is by our millionaire mentor, Michelle O'Neill, and several other self-made millionaires in this program. Why hesitate? Why would you not want to be taught by a self-made millionaire, you guys? Let's do this, you guys. Let's go. Have a great day.